Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix your smart TV if there are lines on your TCL smart TV. So if there are lines on your display, for example, if they are on the middle or vertical lines or horizontal lines that are showing up on your TV and that are showing up on your smart TV, what you should do. So the lines are pretty much very bad news, and it indicates that there has been a damage on your screen. But there are a few steps that you can take to check if it's not. So the first one and the most common one is a faulty HDMI cable. So for example, if your TCL TV is also connected with any external device, you should check your HDMI cable that is connected on the right side of your TCL smart TV. So you should go and check that. If it's a loose cable or if it's a faulty cable, you should remove the cable and then check if the line went away. Sometimes the the faulty HDMI cable also causes the lines on the screen, and it also causes flickering on the screen as well. So this is the first thing that you should check, and just to be safe and sure, you should also restart your TCL TV by disconnecting the power cord on the back side of the wall and then reconnect it and then turn on the television to check if it resolves the issue. If not, then most probably it's an issue with the screen itself, the physical screen as well, and you will need to get it replaced. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.